What are HTML links or hyperlinks? HTML links or hyperlinks are HTML elements that allow us to redirect our website users from one web page to another web page. This is probably nothing new for you. You know from internet and from any website that you usually have links that you can click and you will be redirected from one web page to another web page. How to create HTML links? HTML links or hyperlinks can be created with anchor, start, and anchor end tags. Inside of our anchor start tag, we need to set href HTML attribute, which represents destination page where we want to be redirected with this link, and target, which represents how we want to be redirected on that new page. There are two values that are commonly used for target HTML attribute. They are self, which means that we want to be redirected in the same tab inside of our web browser, and blank, which means that we want to be redirected in the new tab inside of our web browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.